Sesamus unibrows. That's to get rid of my unibrow.
I'll have to Google that and see if that's an actual charm. 'Cause I don't know if it exists, but it would be really cool if it did.
And speaking of charms,
Is there one to make people stop coughing? Ow. Ow. Ta-da! And today it was ta-da! Fireworks. 4th of July, folks. Sorry for the... I got this month of June GeekGear World of Wizardry subscription box a little late because it ships overseas. And I just received this day before yesterday. What's the day?
Today's Wednesday.
Wednesday. Yes, I received it Monday. So, yeah.
GeekGear Wizardry.
GeekGear Wizardry. Month of June. Because now it's July, and pretty soon they'll be billing me for the next box, and I'll have to wait until the beginning of August to open it. I still have 2 more boxes coming. I have the wearable edition and the special edition. Those ones, hopefully, are also in transit. Pardon my cough, people. I'm so sorry.
We've been sitting by a fire that's been going. We've been sitting by a bonfire and watching fireworks, so we've been inhaling smoke. That doesn't even like do anything to you.
I know, not like the fun smoke, but like the.
I haven't fun smoked in a year. Anyway.
Yeah. Without further ado, I'm gonna get to opening. It's so cute. It's got little snakes all over it. Anyway, so this is the part I'm looking forward to. Only I'm trying not to chingal the whole box because the little tab, it's a little smushed on top from transit, but it's not their fault. It's whoever handled my box. They were a little less than cautious with my box, but yeah, I'll pick that up later. Don't worry. So here we go. And I get the green tissue because I'm Slytherin house. Oh, I have no idea what I'm looking at yet, but that's good because it's a surprise.
Stuff.
She wasn't kidding. See, Cherry Wallace mentioned it's like a gift within a gift when you get the ones that are in the little packages and you have to open these. It's pretty cool. Because you don't know what it is. No clue. I'll do the shirt last. So, first item is...
Is that a cookie cutter?
It's a cookie cutter, but I don't know what it's supposed to be. Can you tell what it's supposed to be?
Is it a ghost?
I don't think so.
Does it come with a thing that tells you what they are?
Yeah, but I was trying to figure it out without cheating. I was trying to figure it out before.
We don't cheat.
I don't know.
It's a sweater. It's supposed to be a sweater.
Oh.
See,
sweater.
And then you would put little you're at like the school or college.
So it would be like the sweater that I can't remember her name now.
Hotel Artemis.
No.
That's not
No. The Weasley mom. I can't remember her name. Oh my god, I'm such a horrible Harry Potter fan.
Harriet?
No. No, it's not Harriet.
That's alright. You can keep talking and I'll Google it for you because...
And I knew it a few days ago, and now that I want to know it because I'm talking about it, I'm brain farting, and it's completely... Molly Weasley. Haha! I got it. Molly Weasley knits Harry and Ron sweaters with their initials on them. Apparently, this is the mold of the sweater. Very cute. So I'm going to close that little cheater book up so I can't see what the rest of the stuff is. Yeah.
Oh yeah, Chini paid for it. You can do whatever you want with it.
No. Coasters!
We're
I got a coaster set.
One of the coasters is, take out the papers and the trash. Or you don't get no spending cash. And they sing, who called the English teacher daddy, oh, Charlie Brown.
Yes. He's gonna get caught. Just you wait and see. And this is a GeekGear licensed exclusive set of coasters. They're wrapped. I can't tell what material they're in because... Oh, they're cork on the back.
Bad.
So these are nicer ones. So they're It looks like some kind of paper on the top, but it could be another material. They're pretty solid, so it might be like a... Can't really tell. But anyway.
Harold Pooter. So now we
Harry. Ew. Draco. I know I'm a Slytherin, and I should like Draco, but I don't like him. He's stupid.
Because he can't get any acting jobs.
Oh. Hermione.
Hear me moan, stranger. And so this is probably the Weasley.
And Ron Weasley.
He's like...
Ron,
and he has that look on his face, too. Like,
and he's holding a mandrake.
Can he, like, not
really
look
weird.
like that? Like, it just always has to...
No, I think Rupert Grint always looks like that. Maybe not so much now that he's older. I think maybe it was a prepubescent thing.
His name is Rupert.
That's his name. Don't wear it out. Just saying. Oh, I got a house something with the house crest on it.
Is that a pillar case?
It might be. Or it might be a flag. Or it might be... It looks like a flag. It is. Oh, so now I'll have something.
Yeah, so now I was just telling her that, like, we don't have Harry Potter. We have, like, James Dean and, like, princess
Ooh, that's
stuff.
pretty. So it's a house flag. Like a nice one, like a... What material would you say that is?
Well, it's like polyester, but it's still like a real... It's like a flag material.
Yeah.
Like, you could hang that somewhere and it won't...
It's like... Ooh, and it's pointy on the bottom. It's like the ones that hang up in the school. I like it.
So unless you have, like, cigarette smokers in the house or, like, pet dander, then it should stay in good shape.
Yes. It's not recommended.
That was a stab at our living conditions.
Yeah. Makes it a little difficult for collectible merchandise, but this is a metal poster. It's kind of small for a poster. It's a small poster. It comes with an adhesive metal, like a magnetic plate. I'd probably put this on the refrigerator. That's probably the only place it would
That would be
actually
for,
fit.
like, once... That's for when we have a desk in our house, when we get a
Patronus, the stag.
So she can hang that.
It's actually pretty cool.
When we get a desk,
like
when we get a house, if and when...
I could.
We will get a house.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Magnet mounting.
I'm looking ahead into the
And it
box.
comes with the thing. I like that.
So that is pretty cool. Well, tell them you like it.
I like it. I didn't say I like it. I'm sorry. I'm kind of quiet. Trying not to speak too robustly because then I make myself cough every time. Because ow. But so did we get the cookbook thing? No, we didn't get the cookbook thing. So apparently one of the first subscription books comes with a wizarding recipes cookbook, and then every box comes with, oh, here we go, see? These are the recipes that go with the items in the box.
Cutter.
So that's a cookie cutter cookie recipe. Jumper cookies. Butterscotch beer.
So it'll tell you how to make
Now
it.
I can make it. Now I don't have to...
Go pay for it when we're in Universal.
And really, it wasn't that good. Sorry, Universal. It really wasn't that good.
She's not sorry. Make better butter beer and don't charge like $8 for a glass. Universal.
And
Shame
fantastic
on you.
bread. Fantastic piece
Is that
of bread.
fantastic bread and where it came from?
Maybe. I don't know.
And do those jumper cookies help you step back from that ledge, my friend? Oh, sorry. Here.
You're terrible. Terrible. And this, what is this? This is a print. I see the because it was a little smushed in transit. The cardboard backing on this was bent, so I thought maybe it might have been something else. But no, this is a print. This is actually pretty cool. This is the Hogwarts crest with all of the house crests on it. It's kind of like an all-inclusive flag, but it's one of the last scenes of Deathly Hallows. Spoiler alert, Deathly Hallows 2. It's got Neville Longbottom and his triumphant little stance where he stands up to he who shall not be named, Mr. No Nose.
He doesn't have a nose.
He doesn't have a nose because he's a snake. He's a full snake. I don't know, that's pretty cool. I'm going to do the shirt last. I'm going to open whatever's in this little box because this is calling out to me and I want to see. It's in a little bag. It's in a little velvet drawstring bag.
What's in the bag?
It sounds like it might be a jewelry type thing. I don't know, but I'm going to find out because I don't want to wait. I've already waited 2 days to open this and it's driving me nuts.
I don't want to wait to open my GeekGear box of wizardry.
What is it? Oh, it is jewelry.
It's the ring. It's Bilbo's ring.
No, it's not Bilbo's ring. It's a pendant on a chain, but it's the... Oh, it's like one of those origami owl style necklaces that has the charms in the inside. If you can see. You're supposed to hold a hand behind it so you can see the... Yeah. It's got a little Slytherin snake in it and little green gems for the house colors. That's pretty. I will wear this actually to work. I will wear it. And you can, oh, and it opens. It opens so that you can, I think it opens. I'm pretty sure. From the style. It looks like kind of like locket style. Like if I can get it open. It does. It pops open. It's magnetic. So that you can add and subtract things to it, but why would I take those out?
You can put dope in there.
Dopender? Dopender.
Dopender. Like Mr. Pool.
Will this fit over my melon without me undoing it?
No, you're gonna have to.
It will, because I'm stubborn. No, it won't.
Just wear it on your head like that.
So I can wear this when we get married. I'll just wear it on my forehead like this. Because my dad thinks that the headbands like this look cute, so I don't know. Okay, maybe not.
No, you should. Actually, you know what?
It was an idea.
Well, no, since her dad said no, we're like, yeah, we're going to do that.
No, he said he liked it.
Oh, he does?
He
then
does
we
like
can't.
it. He says it looks
Because
cute.
we're not trying to like do what he likes.
He doesn't know.
He's not going to watch
He's not
going to watch this video.
I don't think he's going to watch the video. Because we would have known if he was a subscriber. He's not a sub, so we don't need to pay attention to his. Ooh, so this shirt, this month's shirt, is the stag. This goes with the print. This goes with this thing here. It is Harry's Patronus, the stag. Harry's and James Potter's Patronus, and it is very cute. I like blue shirts.
Does that mean we could have a stag party?
Maybe. Doink. You're so funny. You're so funny, or you think you're so funny, but I love you anyway, even if you're not that funny sometimes. It was funny. It was clever. It was clever. But no, you can actually not have a stag party because we're not going to do that.
We might if you're like a hot Asian watching this and you want sushi eaten off of you.
That would be the one exception.
So
if there was a volunteer to lay out and let us pick sushi off of you with chopsticks. This is very cute. See, the problem with this is, although it's a very cute design, you have to be a diehard Harry Potter fan to recognize that this is Harry Potter, a reference.
Yeah.
Otherwise somebody's gonna go, oh, why are you wearing a shirt with a deer on it? Are you a hunter?
Like if I gave that to my brother, he'd be like, oh, that's awesome.
I'm gonna have to explain this to several people, I'm sure, if I wear it to work. Or if I wear it anywhere. And only the few people that I know. I should know more. I should make more friends that are Harry Potter fans, because Harry Potter fans are awesome. But the few people that I know might not even get the reference, because it's a little bit obscure. But it's a cute design. I like it. And the shirts are really soft.
A stag reel.
A stag. No. But I like the shirt. I don't know if I'll use the cookie cutter or the recipes, except maybe the butterbeer one, because I really want to try something that's closer to authentic butterbeer, or what it's supposed to be.
We can make little cookies cookies for she got some trouble in her college sweater.
No. I like the chain, the pendant, and I like the flag. I may or may not use the coasters. Those are probably going to be saved for when we move into our spot.
For when one of you buys us a smart coffee table.
This is cool. These are kind of an odd size to frame or whatever, so I'll probably keep it on the cardboard and then just set it aside until we have some place to put it. But he's not 100% Harry Potter fan yet, so we don't have like a Harry Potter tribute section.
I'll just let her do it because like I want her to do what she wants. But I've been through two from this point of the filming of this. I've sat through 2 Harry Potters. The first was cool. The second one to me was like really, like 85% of the characters are super cringeworthy. And I really hate his uncle that like he lives with. Like I guess he finds
the Dursleys.
The Dursleys.
They suck.
He should piss in their mouth while they're asleep, or like be like Accio Pissio, and like I would kill them in their sleep, like if they were that way to me, because they're jerks to him. Like, it makes you hate the actor, because that's the role that they play. But anyway.
Yeah. So next month's box hint. I forget what this creature is called, but it's from Fantastic Beasts.
Fantastic breasts.
I knew he was going to say that, so that was the setup.
I can't.
That was in 5, 4, 3, 2, pervert. Yes, I already knew. This is that, like, creature that goes invisible. I forget what its name is.
Or am I this perverted?
No.
No.
You're not quite that bad. But anyway, so that was June's World of Wizardry GeekGear subscription box. Hope you enjoyed it, and hook yourself up with a box if you, not this box because it's mine and his actually, but hook yourself up with a box of your own at GeekGear.com. It's a UK-based company, so keep that in mind, people from the US, that it's going to take a little longer to get your subscription boxes shipped to you if you're buying them, because it has to ship overseas. I'm trying to remind myself of that I didn't have all that. And Cherry Wallace has she has an unboxing video for this box and the wearable, and I think the special edition one was a few days back. I can't watch any of those because she got the boxes before I did, and I don't want to spoil it, and I don't want to find out what's in there.
We're still trying to get Cherry Wallace to do an unboxing video of this box.
No. You'd like to see that because you're cochino. Anywho, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll get you with another subscription unboxing, and hopefully some more Road to the Wedding videos soon.
Yes.
But
so this concludes this episode of What's in My Fiance's Box, or What's in My Box.
So stay tuned for more content, and we'll check you later.